guys, my name is Byron with Bug Out with Byron. Yes guys, I am wearing the same shirt because I'm filming this only 2 minutes later. Well, actually it was like 15 minutes. This video is gonna be over our M&P Shield 9mm. So guys, there's Mom and Casey again. They're wearing the same clothes too. They're looking for our duck, Howard. We don't know where she is. Yes, we have a female duck named Howard. But this video is gonna be on how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble a M&P Shield 9mm. We'll catch you inside in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Bug Out with Byron. Today we will be worrying about our M&P 9 Shield, which is our M&P 9mm shield. This is a product made by Smith & Wesson. I absolutely love this gun. So let's get right in on how to deassemble it. First, I want to show you that it is unloaded. So we pull this down, let the hammer go forward, make sure the safety's off, pull the trigger, and then it slides right off. If you've seen our other video talking about the Ruger P95, it does not have the little eject button. So I don't know if you've seen that, guys. Our spring is in there. We just simply take out the spring, pull up on the barrel, and that is a full disassembly of a M&P Shield 9mm. So we have our lower receiver, spring, slide, and barrel. We're going to grab our napkin, not napkin, but our little thing. Just got to continue by doing like a little rub down, getting all the excess junk off. Alright, now that we have that done, we are going to get our push rod and use our plastic attachment. Guys, if you watched my last video, you'll know that I said I got a specific 9mm cleaning kit because that is what I like, 9mm. So I have a bigger one, but we'll just use this because it's 9mm. We're going to put it through our barrel a couple times. We'll kind of go around our slide. And then we will put our wire or copper one on. Run it through the barrel. Then we have our cloth one. And guys, we're just gonna kind of look to see if we see anything, which everything looks good to me. So now we're going to get our little eyelet out, which is this thing right here. We're gonna screw it on. Grab our cloth with our Lucas oil, put it on, and then run it through the barrel. Then take that off. And then use our Lucas gun oil to lubricate all the metal parts that will be touching metal. Again, guys, this is vitally important because, like we said on our last video, just like a car, guns need oil to function properly. And if they don't have oil, they may not function properly. And if and when you ever need to use it, that's no bueno. Again, guys, like we said in our last video, no bueno, for those non-Spanish speakers, means no good. So, we're going to grab our slide. We're going to put our barrel in. We're going to put our spring in. And then we're just going to slide it on just like this. There we go. Again, guys, we're going to flip that switch back down. Let me show y'all that it is not loaded. Cycle it through a couple times. Just to make sure everything is properly working on this. Guys, this is a video on how to clean a M&P Shield Smith & Wesson 9mm. Bug out with Byron out.